Welcome back, champions. Another mind-boggling stock news. In this video, you'll get to know the reasons why you should invest in Lantheus Holdings Incorporated stocks. Lantheus Holdings Incorporated, LNTH, has been gaining from its focus on pipeline development. The optimism, led by a solid first quarter 2024 performance and strength in radiopharmaceuticals, is expected to contribute further. However, the company's dependence on third parties and macroeconomic concerns are major downsides. Over the past year, the stock has lost 7.9% against the 2.9% growth of the industry. The S&P 500 has witnessed 26% growth in the said time frame. The renowned radiopharmaceutical focused player has a market capitalization of $5.51 billion. It projects 14.1% growth for 2024 and expects to witness continued improvements in its business. Lantheus earnings surpassed the consensus estimate in the trailing 4 quarters, delivering an average surprise of 13.6%. Let us delve deeper into the stronger reasons behind that. Number 1. Pipeline development. We are optimistic about Lantheus actively developing its pipeline with promising assets like PNT 2002, PNT 2003, and negative 6,240 Malawian kwachas. The company is co-developing Point Biopharma Global Incorporated, Point, PNT 2002 and PNT 2003 under a set of strategic collaborations with Point Biopharma signed in 2022. Lantheus is likely to share more on the regulatory path for its Alzheimer's disease candidate, negative 6,240 Malawian kwachas, later this year. The company continues to make progress as the product has been adopted within Alzheimer's disease therapeutic clinical trials. It is developing another candidate, Lantheus 1363S, in collaboration with Ratio Therapeutics. Number 2. Strength in radiopharmaceuticals. Lantheus has established itself as a leader in the radiopharmaceutical sector, particularly in prostate-specific membrane antigen, PSMA, positron emission tomography, PET, imaging, wherein its product, Pylarify, has a strong demand. Lantheus commercial products in its precision diagnostics category include Definity, an injectable ultrasound-enhancing agent with perflutrin-containing lipid microspheres, or microbubbles, that is used in echocardiography examinations. Year-over-year revenue growth in the first quarter of 2024 was primarily driven by an uptick in Pylarify and Definity sales volumes. In March, the FDA approved the label expansion for Definity, perflutrin lipid microsphere, as an ultrasound-enhancing agent for use in pediatric patients with suboptimal echocardiograms. This should continue to drive sales going forward. Number 3. Strong Q1 results. Lantheus ended the first quarter of 2024 with better-than-expected results. Its robust top and bottom-line results and strong performances in the majority of its segments were impressive. The continued strength in Pylarify and Definity was also promising. The gross margin expansion bodes well. Management also confirmed its strategic partnership with Perspective Therapeutics, which provides Lantheus with options to add radioligand therapy assets to its pipeline and expand into alpha therapeutics. These raise our optimism. So, when are you going to invest in this stock? Let us know in the comments.